Jai Hind everyone. Today I am going to speak on the topic IMAC. I will be covering this topic into five parts, namely introduction, background, objectives, importance for India, and last I will conclude the topic. IMAC refers for India Middle East Corridor. IMAC is a corridor which connects the India, Asia, Middle East, and Europe with roads, ports, railways, airways, and pipelines. It is a connectivity that connects Asia and with the rest of Europe and Middle East so that we can improve the trade, reduce the logistic cost, reduce the transportation time, and can enhance our economy. Talking about the background, IMEC was peace sign deal was signed when at the G20 meeting in 2023 in India, when many countries signed that MOUs. It has two main sectors. First is Northern Corridor and second Eastern Corridor. Now talking about the objectives of IMEC, first of all, it will reduce the logistic costs. Second, it will improve the connectivity. Third, it will enhance the transportation time and will reduce that money gap. Fourth, it will increase the faster connection of the materials. Now talking about the importance for India. For India, this corridor is not only important for its economy but also for its strategic relation and strategic presence in the Middle East. For India, it will enhance the trade, improve the connectivity, reduce the cost, and will boost the Indian ambition for Atmanirbhar Bharat because it will boost the export for the European countries and the Middle East. Now talking about the challenges, IMEC faces challenges such as tension, geopolitical tensions, security tensions, and lack of funding. Now at the last, I will have to conclude my topic that IMEC is not just a corridor for India, but it is a strategic presence for India in the Middle East and also alternative for BRI of China's, which improves the connectivity, increases the trade, and automatically improves the economy of the nation. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.